What's the meaning of back alley? Back alley. Back alley.
Back alley. Back alley. Back alley is a term used to describe a narrow street or passageway that is usually situated behind buildings or homes. These alleys are typically not intended for regular traffic and are often associated with some level of disreputable activity, such as drug deals, illegal gambling, or even criminal behavior. Back alleys may be found in urban areas or behind residential neighborhoods and can sometimes have a seedy or dangerous reputation. While back alleys can offer shortcuts or alternative routes to reach a destination, they are generally avoided for safety reasons. Overall, the term back alley carries negative connotations and is often associated with illicit or nefarious activities.